Hi everyone. I just wanted to say vanakkam to all. It's a wish to from Tamil language. So I am from Chennai. So we have been into this IT industry for almost 13 years, and we were into Microsoft technologies like .NET, C Sharp, and other stuff. And all over the period, for everything, we have to start from the scratch in terms of the development. So there was no kind of a proper open source projects or support in terms of kickstarting certain things in application development. So it's a migration of basic class to executive class. It means when we started looking into ERP next features, we have been following with from web notes period. So when last 2 years back, we started looking into ERP Next, and we found a lot of goodies by default into this product, and we were able to get into that with a short span of time, and we converted our whole team into ERP Next or Frappe developers in our company. For the past 12 years, we were be using .NET and SQL and all, and we were facing problem like no proper time to adapt new frameworks. Like periodically they introduce new frameworks, and we are supposed to learn. And during the time, people will go away, the developers will go away, and licensing cost for the softwares, and heavy server costs. Like when we go and deploy applications, Microsoft applications, when we develop, we develop, and when we deploy, when we want to scale it, the server cost is high. We every customer's complains on that. And as I said, no good open sources. Probably some of the good open sources are there, but again, not much. Not able to reuse the existing efforts. Like we might have done some basic development, or we thought to use it for some other clients for in a couple of years. And when we thought to use, when chance comes in, a different framework comes into the picture, different operating systems are changing. It's very hard to do that. And everything is cost to cost, no proper business over there. So now we started integrating Frappe based application development for all our application development. Basically, I have seen many people in the forum. Everybody, got into ERP Next backend system, and everybody tried to customize all those things, but not in the front end aspect. But what we felt, ERP Next or Frappe is working really well in terms of customizing or implementing or bringing the data into the front end websites, front end portal. We can create very good portals, and even real-time portals which we can create. So I'll just summarize good things. Easy to learn, no license cost, very low server configuration, is very cheaper to configure. Reusable, time-saving, friendly user interface, blah blah thing. And problem we face is IE compatible issues. And one major thing I could tell Frappe team to support shared hosting, because right now it requires cloud hosting to make it runnable. And support for mobile app development, probably permissions. Right now I've got some clarification from the Frappe team today. And debugging, kind of good debugging tool which may help to support the development. And these are sample websites which we have developed for front-end website developments. And this is the sample dashboard which we have created. This sample dashboard is like a configurable one. So where you will be able to, doc type based, if it is a module based or doc type based, you can specify. You can have some counters, like in the top you have some counters. This is all things that we have used to Frappe charts and other stuff only. No additional thing. So you can create one or more dashboards like this, and you can map it to your menu whenever you want it. And we wanted Frappe to just look into this. If they started integrating AngularJS, that will be great. Which will which we can go with a lot of web components, like with browser compatibility, which will help us to understand the latest technologies. And browser support, IE is not supporting properly. Front-end development features, rapid application. Say it is good to create a mobile development framework by the Frape team. That will be great if they start, using Cordova or whatever it is. And if they use the same Frape framework, web development framework for mobile app development, that will be a great thing for all the community to work with. And that's it. So hope to travel executive class for all the time with ERP Next. Thank you.
Thank you.